Space is often thought of as a silent void, but in reality, it's filled with sounds that are both fascinating and eerie. Sound waves need a medium to travel, and since space is a near-perfect vacuum, traditional sound can't propagate. However, celestial bodies emit electromagnetic waves that can be converted into sound. For instance, the vibrations from pulsars create rhythmic beeping sounds, while the eerie whistling of solar winds can be heard when transformed into audio. NASA has captured these cosmic sounds, revealing the haunting melodies of black holes and the symphony of planets. Imagine the roar of a supernova or the gentle hum of a distant star. These sounds give us a glimpse into the universe's dynamic nature, reminding us that even in the vast emptiness, there's a symphony waiting to be heard. So, while space